Beautiful things, such beautiful things. You're here to learn beautiful things. It's Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. It's number 9 on the list of the US Top 40 in September. And here on Between the Keys, I'm working through them one by one. So far, I've filmed and taught how to play 8 songs. So we're on number 9. And I just listened to it. I think I'd heard it maybe once or twice before, maybe just walking around the mall or something. But I don't know. I didn't know the song well, so I had to learn it. And I have the chords up, and once again, it's not too hard. Nothing really unusual. E flat. Once or twice it goes to this one. You might not know it. It's G flat diminished 7. That's maybe the only thing unusual. Actually, that's G flat diminished. Well, with the 7, yeah. That would be half diminished. That would be fully diminished. Anyway, B flat, easy one. F, easy one. G minor, easy one. And C minor, up here. So the start of the song is an intro. B flat to F. And then it starts with, for a while there it was rough, E flat. For a while there it was rough, to B flat. But lately I've been doing better, F to G minor. Then the last 4 cold Decembers, E flat again, B flat, Decembers, I recall, F, and I see my family every month. On month we hit the B flat again. I found a girl my parents love, G minor. She'll come and stay the night, E flat, and I think I might have it all, F. Let's do them again from the start. E flat, for a while there it was rough, B flat. But lately, F, I've been doing better, G minor. E flat. Then the last 4 cold Decembers, B flat, I recall, F, and I see my family every month, E flat to B flat. I found a girl, F, my parents love, G minor. She'll come and stay the night, E flat, and I think I might have it all, just might have it all. E flat. And I thank God every day, get the bass note right, B flat every day. For the girl he sent, this is the F sharp, he sent my way. But I know the things he gives me, he can take away. It doesn't do that, that's me showing off a bit of boogie woogie blues. It goes, but I know the things he gives me, he can take away. Try not to do that. E flat, and I'll hold you every night, B flat. And that's a feeling I want to get used to. G minor, F, E flat, yeah, get used to, C minor, down again. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. And then we go E flat to B flat. I hope I don't lose you, G minor, F to G minor, E flat to B flat, F. So this part is kind of, it's a guitar playing strumming chords, so jing, 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 jing. But I'll try and emulate it on the piano. F, I hope I don't lose you, G minor, please stay, B flat, F, G minor. I want you, I need you, oh God, E flat. Don't take, something like that. Bum 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 bum. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Then you come in with the E flat on just after God. These beautiful things that I've got. Actually, it comes in on the word God. Please, B flat, stay, G minor, F. I want you, I need you, oh God, E flat, oh God, don't, B flat, take G minor. These F beautiful things that I've got, E flat. And then we've got some B flat to G minor to F to E flat. B flat again. Please don't take. And we go to verse 2. I found my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I'll tell you, I know I got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm happy not thinking I just might lose it all. We go to the chorus. Please stay. E flat first. Please B flat stay. G minor. F. I want you. I need you. Oh, E flat. Don't B flat. Take G minor. These beautiful things that are V flat. V flat. V flat to B flat. G minor. G minor. F. E flat. Please stay. F. I want you, I need you, oh God. Please stay. I need these beautiful things that I've got. Hopefully that helped you learn the song. If you need to slow it down, you can, or rewind it. You can, with the magic of technology. It's Magic 105.4. That's the radio station I used to like in England. Anyway, we're now on number 10 already. Wow, the progress astounds me. I'm already on number 10. It's Make You Mine by Madison Beer. I've not heard it, I don't think. I'm going to go listen to it and learn it, and I'll be back with that one. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching Between the Keys. Subscribe and like for more.